During their 4-year affair, Winona Ryder claims Johnny Depp was never aggressive. The Stranger Things actress said in a witness statement made public on Thursday that Winona Ryder finds it impossible to believe that Johnny Depp physically mistreated his ex-wife Amber Heard. "He never, ever treated me violently. He never once mistreated me in any way. I have never witnessed him being violent or abusive to anyone," she stated. Ryder, who dated Depp for 4 years in the early 1990s, was scheduled to testify in person at his libel trial against British newspaper The Sun in London, but his attorneys opted on Thursday not to summon her or Depp's ex-wife Vanessa Paradis. Vanessa Paradis, the ex-wife of Johnny Depp, visits Paris, France in May 2019. Prior to Heard's evidence in the high-profile High Court trial, the judge made their whole written declarations public after discovering that neither lady would be summoned. According to the BBC, Ryder wrote, "I know it's crucial that I speak from my own experience because I was obviously not present during his marriage to Amber, but, from my experience, which was so drastically different, I was absolutely shocked, confused, and upset when I heard the accusations against him." She went on, "The notion that he is a very violent individual is the most dissimilar thing from the Johnny I knew and loved." Ryder stated, "I really and honestly only know him as a really good man, an incredibly loving, extremely caring guy who was so very protective of me and the people that he loves, and I felt so very, very safe with him. I don't want to accuse anybody of lying, but based on my interactions with Johnny, it is hard to accept that such heinous accusations are accurate. Knowing him as I do, I find that very distressing," she wrote. In her statement, Paradis also supported Depp, claiming that throughout their 14-year relationship, which ended in 2012 and produced 2 children, he was a devoted spouse. Depp has always been a kind, attentive, generous, and non-violent person and father, according to the French singer. Depp, 57, is suing News Group Newspapers, the parent company of The Sun, over a story published in April 2018 that referred to him as a wife-beater. On Thursday, July 16, Johnny Depp, an actor, shows up in the London High Court. Heard's 14 allegations of abuse, which cover claimed instances from 2013 to 2016, are the foundation of The Sun's defense. Depp has invited a number of former workers to testify that Heard was the aggressor throughout their tumultuous relationship, which ended in divorce in 2016, and he disputes the charges. Sean Bett, a member of his security team, testified on Thursday that he saw Heard verbally insult Depp. While being cross-examined by The Sun's attorney, he acknowledged that he had accidentally sent a picture to the court that purportedly showed an injury on Depp's face on a certain day. According to British journalist Nick Wallace, he acknowledged that the picture he gave was not shot on the day he said in his statement and that it was given to him by Depp's attorney. On Thursday, July 16, actress Amber Heard, Centre, arrives before London's High Court. When their disagreements escalated, Bett, a former Los Angeles County Sheriff's officer, said he often kicked Depp out of Heard's company. He said that he never saw Heard with any of the red marks or bruises that Depp was said to have caused. Bett refused to back down when Sun attorney Sasha Wass accused him of covering for his company for the previous 10 years. "You may accuse me of lying 100 times, ma'am. I don't tell lies. I'm being honest," he said.